Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you waiting for Etsy package and want to know where it is? Etsy makes it easy to track your order whether you purchased using an account or checked out as a guest. So first thing first, in this guide, I will show you step by step how to track an Etsy order in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So important reality check is that tracking depends on the seller's shipping method. Not all orders include tracking. It works on mobile and desktop. Tracking activities after shipment. Okay, so first method, track order from Etsy account. So on Etsy app, um, open Etsy, tap your profile or Etsy, um, on the desktop. So we are using the desktop now. Um, Go to Etsy, tap purchases and reviews, and then click track package. Okay, so opens career tracking page as you can see. So what tracking status means? So common updates like pre-transit, okay, in transit, out for delivery, delivered. So status updates come from shipping career. Okay, you can track guest checkout order if you bought as a guest. Open your email inbox, find Etsy order confirmation email, click view your order, tap track package. So tracking opens in browser. So save confirmation email, okay? And you can method 3 track using career websites. You can also copy tracking number, visit shipping career websites and paste tracking number. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.